Did you know that a clean home can sell up to 30% faster? That's right. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. Imagine a prospective buyer walking into a home that sparkles and shines, where every corner is spotless. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we're not just about cleaning. We're about creating an inviting atmosphere that helps close deals. As a retired Army veteran-owned cleaning service based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of reliability and professionalism. We pride ourselves on our quick turnarounds, ensuring your properties are ready for showings in no time. Whether it's prepping for an open house or a last-minute buyer visit, we give every home special attention. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. It brightens up the space and makes it feel welcoming, highlighting the home's best features. Ready to give your listings the TidyTex advantage? Check the video description for our contact details and let's make your properties shine together. Contact us today to elevate your real estate business.